Hi, today is a prac session. When I first saw this prac, I thought, really, can you do DNA extraction in the home? But it's true. You may not be able to do it this right now because you need to get some equipment, such as a banana or strawberry. But you may find you have all the equipment there. It might take you a little bit of time to get it together, but you could perform it. Otherwise, the alternative is to go some shopping and do it at a later date because it's due on Thursday night uh, with a late submission till Friday night. The alternative, of course, is watch a video of the prac being done and record your observations and use those results. So you'll be basically going attendance, so that's we're up to less than two. Great attendance rate at the moment. So we go to lesson um, 12, 12, 13. And there we have the instructions on the DNA. So going for this, I don't know, I had a look at both, couldn't see the difference. So um, I'll just load up that one. As I say, you've got your theory. So we are extracting DNA. Most people have bananas, Ziploc, dishwashing detergent, salt. The thing that you may not have is the methylated spirits. That's maybe something you might have to shop for. So you can follow this link here, or alternatively watch the DNA extraction video. And once you have done that, you should have some results. And so basically, it's an observational thing. So lots of observations, and this is where you can put your observations. If you did it yourself, take a photo, um, or with the video screen capture, and include it in your report. And discussion, just seeing if you understood the process for extracting DNA, and then some basic questions on DNA. And don't forget your conclusion. We then go and save this to Google Drive. It is a Word document, so you should have no problem submitting it. So going out of here, because you will have saved it, we then go back to the original page and we go over to the practical report, extraction of DNA. That's where you'll create your submission. You've seen a video of that before. And as I said, Thursday night's the latest for on time. And I think I'll give you an extra day if you're late. If you don't get it within then it will certainly be noted by various people, such as your parents, that you haven't kept your bargain of the learning process. Don't forget to email if you have any concerns or problems. Have a good day.